If you usually receive large number of emails, then one of the things you have to do is to set your antivirus to be able to detect dangerous email attachments and then block them. Now, the good thing is you can do this using Avast free antivirus. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block all dangerous email attachments on your computer using this free antivirus. My name is Isaac, and this is a minute with AI. The first thing you need to do is to go to Avast free antivirus. If you don't have it on your desktop, go ahead and download this free version of Avast free antivirus. Then go ahead and tap on it to open. And as you can see, we are told that the mail shield is off. This means that all our mails are not protected, and should they contain harmful material, harmful links, or harmful attachments, then we are vulnerable. So you can also see here under status, there is a question mark. And to turn on this, you can simply turn it from here by tapping on turn on. Alternatively, you can go to protection and then tap on core shields. And from here, you can see the mail shield is turned off. So the only thing you need to do is to toggle this and it will be on. Now our mails are protected, and under it, you can see when this is turned on, it blocks dangerous email attachments. So that's how you protect your emails using Avast free antivirus. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.